Throughout history, conflict has repeatedly denied millions of children the right to a formal education. The same problem persists today. Many children across the globe are being robbed of their human right to education, and it's essential that the international community responds proactively. The UN has said that the countries with the most pressing situations for children due to armed conflicts are Afghanistan, Iraq, Nigeria, Somalia, and Yemen. Jihadis are known to flock to conflict zones, and unsurprisingly, all of those countries are home to extremist groups. As military offensives take back territory from such groups, children in these areas must not be neglected, and their education must become more of a global priority. A lack of formal education during conflicts leads to illiteracy and robs children of stability, routine, and hope for a bright future. What often happens is extreme ideologies fill the vacuum vacated by education, meaning swathes of children become indoctrinated with destructive practices and thoughts. In fact, groups like ISIS, Al-Shabaab, Boko Haram, and the Taliban develop strategic approaches to educating young people. Extremists invest in young children in an attempt to ensure their legacy and warped visions continue. Tragically, these children will be raised with little to no experience of the freedoms of childhood, and for many will know no different. As military campaigns to defeat Islamist militants continue, international actors must invest in long-term solutions for children caught up in each conflict. Now, practically, the education of children after conflict might not, and perhaps should not, only reflect traditional models. New initiatives can focus on vocational training programs and tailored de-radicalization initiatives that acknowledge the importance of tackling mental health challenges. Governments should formalize into the curricula programs that promote peace and coexistence. This will ensure children have the skills to navigate difference and counter religious prejudice. The future of any country rests on the shoulder of the next generation, and it is vital that the international community unites in long-term solutions to help these children. For more information, read the article online at institute.global.